In this video, we're going to set up the Halo PSA integration with Augmentt. The integration allows Augmentt alerts to generate tickets within Halo. Let's start in the Halo platform. Navigate to Integrations, and then Halo PSA API. Copy the resource server URL, and then click on View Applications, and then New within Halo PSA. Add an application with the following: application name, client ID and secret, services. Click on Generate in the client secret area, even if a client secret already appears. Clicking Generate will stop the client ID from rolling. Copy the client ID and the client secret. Select the login type as agent and choose the appropriate agent. Augmentt requires the following minimum permissions: read tickets, edit tickets, and read customers. Save your application integration. Now, let's navigate to the Augmentt platform. In Augmentt, navigate to Configuration and then Integrations. Click Connect on the Halo box. Enter the company URL, client ID, and the secret client ID that we copied earlier, and then click Connect. Once your PSA integration is complete, a link will appear to map your customers. Click Select an Account on the Customer Halo column and choose the appropriate customers that should be mapped to the Augmentt customers. Next, you can set up your ticketing defaults by choosing the Ticketing tab. These settings will be used when a ticket is generated by Augmentt. You can also map the Microsoft ticket severity to your Halo priorities so that tickets receive the appropriate attention from your help desk. And that's it. The integration is now complete.
That's my minute. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.